Full-featured electric hydraulic scissor lift tables are used by all types of manufacturing and warehouse facilities. Safety features include electric tow guard to protect pinch points during lowering of the table, internal brass velocity fuse to maintain platform height in event of hose or fitting failure, standard push-button hand control, maintenance props, and upper-level travel limit switch to stop table at maximum height. Platform sizes vary in size, and a 2-horsepower, 3-phase, 460-volt, fully enclosed motor is standard. Some of the options available are built-in carousels, accordion skirting, foot control, and wireless remote control.